Okay, good morning, guys, everyone. Let's start today's practical. Okay, basically, what happened in the last section, we already started with the theoretical part. Okay, our J2EE architecture, right? Now, today, let's start to the practically. Before that practical, I think so. We already have to the install your Eclipse, right? Okay, I think so. Everyone having Eclipse in their machine. Now, many people's, they are saying, sir, I have the Eclipse are present inside of my computer, right? You can see the Eclipse are present. Now, if suppose I want to uninstall Eclipse, what the way we have? Okay, suppose I'm going to the search engine and searching over here Eclipse. See Eclipse IDE for the Java developers. Now I'm going over here and after you can see over here I have to the uninstall button. So whenever I'm clicking on the uninstall option, you can see there we cannot able to see the Eclipse, right? Are you getting Eclipse is not present? Even if you can go to the control panel, okay, I'm going inside of my control panel. After I want to be used to the full screen and after see over here programs and down uninstall a program. Okay, let me click over here. You can see there is not option available to uninstall Eclipse. So where exactly the Eclipse? Now the thing is what guys, Eclipse whenever we are installed, it's directly working on a command prompt, right? So basically we cannot able to see over here our Eclipse application. So there is easier way we can install that, uninstall that. Okay. Now how? Simply we are going over here and just searching over here Eclipse. Okay. I'm telling you, if suppose you already have the Eclipse, how we can able to uninstall Eclipse. Okay. So see Eclipse are there. Now right click over here and say that open file location. You can click over here also. It's the same. Now just see, I am clicking on open file location. Okay. Now see, this is file location I got. And just do one thing. Okay. Just do one thing. See over here, Rohit, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, program, and Eclipse. This is my location. Okay. I'm going one step back. See, this is Eclipse I have. Let me uninstall that. Okay. I erase Eclipse. Now after letter, let's see to the start menu, program. Okay. After letter, again your roaming, app data, Rohit. Okay. If you can go to your Rohit. Okay. See, I'm right now where inside of the Rohit folder. Maybe your one is the user or maybe the admin. Okay. Maybe whatever name you giving for your computer, that is your name. Okay. Now see, I am uninstalling two things important. One is over here Eclipse and second is dot Eclipse. Both I selected together. Even if you want to be a uninstall your Eclipse workspace also, workspace means no, your all project is inside of the workspace. If you want to delete, if you want to erase everything, you can erase everything also. But if you don't want to be hurt your project, if you don't want to be a delete your project, then you do not need to click to the Eclipse workspace. Okay, right now I want to erase everything. That's why what happened? I am deleting .NET Eclipse also. Sorry, .NET not .Eclipse also, normal Eclipse also, and I want to be a delete Eclipse workspace too. Means my all project are inside of the workspace. Okay. Now see, I'm deleting everything. Just it's taking little bit while. Right now I delete that. Now you can close it. Okay. Now what happened? You can see over here Eclipse IDE we have. Even if you can double clicking what happened? I don't have right now existed anything. Now just simply simple thing do. This is delete. Okay. Now complete. Now if you can search over here Eclipse IDE. Okay. We cannot able to see. Means right now we permanently deleted our Eclipse workspace. Okay. We deleted Eclipse. Now it will be done. Right now let's follow the step to install J2EE architecture. Whenever we want to be implement J2EE architecture, we have the two-way present. First way, if means first way we have if we already have to the Eclipse inside of your computer. Okay, that is the first. Oh no. Wait. I want to be say that if suppose if you don't have Eclipse, okay, if you don't have the Eclipse, then what happened? We can able to install that. That is first way. And second way, if you already have, then how we can install to the J2E architecture. Okay, the two way we have. First way is what? if you don't have application, then how we can download to the J2E architecture? And second one, if you already have Eclipse, then how we can download to the J2E architecture? I am teaching you both way. I don't have any problem. First, right now we are going with the if suppose you don't have. Okay. Now simply what happened, I already existed file inside of my computer. Let me delete that one also. Eclipse. Are you getting? So I'm deleting. Right now I don't have anything. Even let me say that I don't have anything. Empty folder I have, right? Okay. Now I'm going to be a search engine over here. Okay. Search engine. After I'm taking my one browser. Okay. And then what happened? I'm searching over here Eclipse. Just normally eclipse.org download, right? Let's go. Simple. I'm searching on the internet like how we was download to the Eclipse last time. Same like that way. Okay. I search over here. I want to be a scroll down. Many times what happen? You will be confused. Oh, sir, how you can directly come to the download section? If you are confused, don't worry. Let me show the normal way also. Okay. I'm going to the over here and I'm searching over here Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse, you can see in the first, I can see over here https www.eclipse.org. Okay, let me click over here in this website. Okay, now I am officially in the home page. Okay, this is the home page about your Eclipse. Now see over here, we have to the option is what? Download. Let me click on the download section. Now you can see I automatically coming to the that particular URL. What is the URL? Eclipse.org downloads. Okay. Now just scroll little bit down and see over here in download option we have. Use drop down menu and say I want a download a 86 bit purpose. Okay. 64 bit purpose. Now just after letter a download button click. You can see it's right now preparing to your download. See, as it start to the download. Okay, right now it's taken a time to the download. Let me pause the video. Okay, now you can see Eclipse has downloaded. Okay, now you can close your window. Okay, and just go back to again your file explorer. I'm searching over here in the search engine file explorer. Okay, now see in that a download section, Eclipse inst J R E Win 64. Okay, this is your exe file, means setup file. Okay, now simply right now I don't have to be a inside of my computer. Eclipse are available. Okay, now what I done? I just went to a Chrome browser. I installed that exe file, means a setup file. I downloaded that. Right now I'm trying to be a install. Now see simple what I want to do. Even you can see over here I made it to the one presentation also. What we need to do? Download Eclipse from the link. After let us setup. Go to your download folder. Choose Eclipse inst JRE Windows 64 exe file. Okay. Now see I over here. Just let me double click over here. Okay. You can see it is getting to the load. Okay. Eclipse installer. Okay, now see over here. When you double clicking on your Eclipse inst JRE Win 64, then you can see, you can able to see this window. Previously when we was install, we install what? Eclipse IDE for the Java developer purpose, right? So we do not need to select this option. We need to select right now the second option, Eclipse. Okay, let me go to the back again and let me show which option we need to select. Eclipse IDE for the enterprises Java and the web development purpose, and tools for the developers working with a Java web application. Okay, including Java IDE tools for the JavaScript, TypeScript, and the Java server side scripting purpose. Okay, so I'm selecting the second option. After later, you can see Java 21 plus VM. Also, it's added over here, and installation folder is the Eclipse. Okay, now let's go. Just I want to be a click on the installation process. Okay, now after letter they are asking to their terms and condition. Yes, I want to be accept that, accept now, and it's getting to their time install properly. So right now what happened? I'm just stopping the video. Okay, because it's taking a too long time.